Next, let's look at the Student Planning Worksheet. This is a tool we use to help students sort out their classes to figure out what it is they want to take as it relates to their major, as well as to graduation. When looking at the Student Planning Worksheet, remember that the 64 hours of credit, basically they convert into 21 classes. The classes just need to be taken in the correct categories. For example, for an Associate's in Arts degree, you need 3 classes in communication, 2 classes in science, 1 in math, 3 courses in humanity and fine arts, and 3 courses in social and behavioral science. The remaining 9 classes are usually associated with your major. Don't worry, a counselor or program advisor or faculty advisor will be able to assist you with these choices. Now let's look at the online college catalog. Since the numbers are completely random to you and you don't understand what each number means, it's always great to go to the online catalog where it will give you a complete description of the course as well as any prerequisites. As you can see here, Psychology 1100 has a description of the class. It also has the prerequisite and the very last line that tells you Category 1 is required before you can take this course. Not all classes have a prerequisite, so please pay attention to the last line of the online college catalog description. Now let's look at some additional advising tools. One tool in particular I'm sure you will want to use is called the Student Planning tool. In this video here, it'll show you how to look for and sign up for your courses.
Log into the student portal. Go to the My Access web part and click on Academic Profile. Near the bottom, you will find Student Planning. Click on it and you will be connected to your academic information. Your schedule for the current term will be displayed. At the top of the screen are steps to getting started. Click on Go to My Progress. Your progress towards completing your academic program will be displayed. The requirements to complete this program are listed below. If you have more than one active academic program, you can click on the arrows to view the progress for your other program. This is your progress towards your second program. To load the courses required for your program, click the Load Sample Course Plan button. Select the term you started this program from the drop-down box. Select the academic program for the course load. Click Preview Plan. The required courses will be displayed in the suggested term sequence. You can click Load to enter these courses into your plan. This will not register you for anything. You will be taken to the Plan and Schedule screen. A message will display that you have successfully added courses to the plan. The current term will be displayed. Click on the Timeline tab to view the planned courses loaded in the suggested terms.
Student Planning has a new drag and drop feature that allows you to easily move planned courses. To move a planned course to a different term, click on the drag handle for the course you would like to move and drag and drop it to a different term. This fire science course will be moved from spring to fall term. You cannot drag and drop protected, registered, or completed courses.
You can also remove a course. Click on the X in the upper right corner of the course box. Select the Remove button. The timeline view no longer displays this course. Click on the Schedule tab to view class sections or add a different course to the plan. Notice that classes that you are registered in will have a check mark in green. Let's look for class sections first. Click View Other Sections. This section will show up grayed out on the schedule. This means it is not registered or planned. To add this class section, click on it. This box will display the class information. Click on Add Section and it will show up on the schedule as planned in yellow. You will not be registered. You can use this system to register for planned classes. Click the Register Now button. This grid view is very helpful to organize a class schedule prior to registration. The Help tab answers common questions. Click on one of the help questions for more detail. Now, let's search for a course.
Enter the course name in the text box.
Click on the special link for more information.
Enter the prefix and course number in the text box. Enter a hyphen between the prefix and course number.
Click on the View Available Sections to see class sections. Or you can select the course and add it to your plan by selecting a term. Click Add Course to Plan. The green message shows this was successful.
Click the student planning link at the top to return to the Plan and Schedule screen.
The timeline view shows the course was added to the summer term. Click on the Advising tab to send a note to your assigned advisor. Click Save Note. Other options exist to search the course catalog. You can type in a subject or click on one of the subjects listed. Click the Help tab for assistance. To start over with your course plan, you can select Remove Planned Courses to remove all planned courses from a term or terms. This will not change your registration status in a class. This will only affect your course plan. Your course plan is now clear and you can start over. Any questions regarding your academic program? Contact the Counseling and Advising Office. Any questions with My Access or the Student Portal? Call the Student Help Desk.
Next, let's look at some scheduling strategies. As you create your schedule, you want to keep the following 4 points in mind. What courses should you take? When can you take them? Where and what format should I take them? We offer the classes on the main campus, Internet courses, known as NET, VCM courses, or the virtual classroom, as well as the hybrid courses, which are partially online or partially in person. You will also want to keep in mind, how do I fit my college schedule into the rest of my life? Now let's look at some scheduling concepts that will help you figure out your class schedule. It's recommended for your first semester, if you wish to be full-time, to take anywhere from 3 to 5 classes, which is about 12 to 16 hours. Remember, to be a full-time student, you only need to take 12 credits. Most classes are 3 semester hours, with the exception of laboratory science, which is usually about 4 to 5 hours, foreign language at 4 semester hours, and math can range anywhere from 3 to 5 semester hours. Classes can typically meet once a week, twice a week, or 3 times a week, depending upon the number of hours that you're looking to sign up for. We also offer 12 and 8-week session classes that are moving at an accelerated rate. Fully online classes do not equal less time that you need to dedicate to your schoolwork. Now, let's look at some useful planning links. As you can see here, we have links to the student planning worksheet, how to use the student planning worksheet, how to use the student planning tool, links to the online catalog I mentioned earlier, as well as a link to the course description, and finally, the course format video. Now, let's look at some options if you are uncertain about your career path. As you can see here, you can meet with a counselor for a career counseling appointment. You can also attend a career planning workshop, or for students who are looking for credit, you can actually enroll in our College 1105 Career Development course. This class is designed to assist students with integrating into the career development process. You'll take some career assessment tests, look at strategies for your career, as well as look at the work environment. You also have the option of taking an introductory course into a major of your interest.